and here I'm going to discuss about dining philosophers problem. Dining philosophers problem. Now, what is dining philosophers problem? First of all, we have to understand about dining philosophers, isn't it? And then we have to understand its problem, isn't it? If we divide this into a two parts, that is dining philosophers and one is a problem, and then after when we combine these all two, we get dining philosophers problem, isn't it? Now, what is dining? If we say, if I ask to you, what is dining? What you answer? Dining is a table, isn't it? Whatever you are looking, or whatever you are putting some books or some images or some computers or whatever you are able to put onto that, that is a table, isn't it? In table you get putted these all items onto a top of that, isn't it? Now we say this is dining, and the dining here is used for eating foods, isn't it? Now, who is eating? Philosophers. Here are some philosophers. Who is philosophers? Philosophers, it means who judge something, who think something, isn't it? Who think something in innovative way, in some new ideas. It gives some new ideas, isn't it? They are called philosophers. They predict something. They predict whatever going on into our future, isn't it? They are philosophers, basically. So, dining philosophers, when we combine, dining philosophers means those philosophers who are eating something and thinking some new things, isn't it? Some new ideas, some innovative ideas they are thinking when they are eating. So what their problem? Dining philosophers problem means whenever they are eating, they are getting into a problem, isn't it? How the problem is arises, we go into a depth to understand the problem, isn't it? Now, for better understand what is dining philosopher's problem, we go into a depth. Now, here is an table. Just look into a depth. Then we go into a brief of that intro. Here is a table, and here is a five philosophers which are seated into a round table, isn't it? Which are seated around the round table, isn't it? And here is an five chopsticks. If you look these are the five chopsticks. Chopsticks like a spoon, isn't it? And here is an food. Here is an five plates of food, whatever it may be, like chowmin, maggie, or something, whatever it is, isn't it? But if the problem is, if the philosopher, one of the philosopher wants to eat the food, he has must take the two spoons, isn't it? He must have to take a two spoons. One is of right hand and one is of left hand. And after the eating food, he just started a thinking, isn't it? Now, with the same condition, next one is also, if he wants to eat, he takes two spoons and started eating food, whatever he wants, and goes into a thinking. And whenever he goes into a thinking, rest of all wants to eat. And if this one is he started eating, then all one is going to think, isn't it? This is the condition of philosophers. But what's going on now? Here is an 5 philosophers, as you see, who spend their lives just thinking and eating, who spend their whole life into just thinking and eating. Now, what's going on there? Only 5 chopsticks, as we discussed, only 5 chopsticks are onto a table for what? For eating the food to philosophers, isn't it? Each philosophers think when he become hungry, when he become thirsty or hungry, he sits down and pick the 2 chopsticks that are closest to him and eats. Started a eating. And after the eating, he puts down the chopstick and starts thinking. As I said to you, this one, whenever he eats with the 2 chopsticks, one is in right hand and another is in left hand. Whenever he started eating, rest of all is in thinking, and whenever he finishes their eating, he goes into a thinking, isn't it? This is the problem, but this is the dining philosophers. But what is problem? Problem is whenever all the 5 philosophers wants to eat at the same time, isn't it? Wants to eat at the same time, then every philosopher wants to put the 2 chopstick into their hands. So if he took 2 chopstick, he took 2 chopsticks, and he also took 2 chopsticks. Then what? Only 5 chopsticks are there. Then how it is possible to take a 2 spoons, 2 chopsticks to every 5 philosophers? This is not possible. So this is the problem. What is the dining philosophers? What we call the dining philosophers problem. This is the main problem, isn't it? Now, if we go into the algo of these two, philosopher I, that is one, do what? Chopstick I, and takes the I plus one, isn't it? It means if we took the one chopstick into a right hand, then took the next chopstick into a left and started eating. And after eating, it puts chopstick and starts thinking, isn't it? This is the main algo. And then after the possibility of deadlock. If all philosophers become hungry at the same time, isn't it? If all philosophers hungry at the same time and pick up their left chopstick, a deadlock occurs, isn't it? A deadlock is occurs. Suppose that every philosopher is there, isn't it? 5 philosophers are there and 5 chopsticks are there. So what? Every philosopher started eating and every philosopher took only one chopstick, only 2 chopsticks of every of their left. He took this, and took this. So what? There is an possibility of deadlock. This is the main problem and this is the main theme of the philosopher's problem. Now, thank you.